Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Today we're doing our final 2K winner. And notice I said 2K winner, not reaching 2K. I have a story about that you're going to hear about soon. But I want you to see what we actually use. We use the random picker from YouTube. I'm just going to leave a link in the description box so that you can access it easily if you're going to do a giveaway soon. This is a great tool. You can use it in different ways. You can actually tell your subscribers to use a keyword when they comment. This is what I did last time, but this is what the screen looks like, and this is how you'll know if you're at the right page if you Google it. But right now I want to spend some time on subscriber purging. So remember in the beginning I said we're doing a 2K giveaway, not reaching 2K. Well, I would have reached 2K, but YouTube is currently doing their purge. They do a routine purge where they remove all closed accounts, and these accounts are supposed to be closed by the creator, and if they're subscribed to you, YouTube will remove it. So I've been hearing a lot of people in September saying that they've lost a lot of subscribers. And it seems like every time I'm just about to reach a good milestone, a big milestone, I lose a lot of subscribers. So I just stopped looking at my subscriber count. I turned it off because last time I looked, I had lost over 50 subscribers. So like I said, these are supposed to be closed accounts that YouTube just takes away from you. So don't be too discouraged. This is actually a routine house cleaning they do. So I look at subscriber counts as a vanity number. I understand you want to get that 1K because then you can get monetized. But after that, realistically, YouTube really just looks at your views. They're all about how long you can keep your viewers on the platform. That's why we're trying to always make our content better so that we can keep viewers' attention. That's what the algorithms look at when they're trying to rank you to see if your video is going to get pushed out further. So don't be too discouraged while looking at your subscriber count. One of the things I've noticed other YouTubers are asking their subscribers to do is just check their page to make sure they're still subscribed to them. There's a tab where you can see everybody's subscribers unless they've hidden that, which I don't hide mine. So I will leave a link in the description box for my Instagram page. If you see I'm not subscribed to you, go ahead and DM me and I'll subscribe. I think some of the YouTubers are asking people to do this because they want to make sure while YouTube is doing their purging that they're not purging subscribers that they're subscribed to on accident, and I totally understand that. And the winner is TeamTiarreaB. I did notify TeamTiarreaB ahead of time because of scam reasons from last time that she won, and unfortunately I had some bad news. I found out her mom had passed, and she does have a GoFundMe page. If there is anyone out there that wants to support her, I will put her link in the description box for her GoFundMe page. And if there's any prayer warriors out there, definitely keep her and her family in prayer. Losing a mom is one of the hardest things to go through in life. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.